Don't know what or where to eat in Budapest? Don't worry, today I bring you the solution. I will tell you what you should try and I recommend you some typical places. Budapest is a beautiful city full of activities to do. But it also offers very good options when it comes to food. Let's start with the options. 1. Bread goulash. It's the typical goulash served inside a bread. I tried at Kupak Food. They recommend it to me because it has all the typical options and it's super cheap. So it's gonna be a 7 out of 10. Because it comes super hot and you have to eat it quickly or the bread gets soggy. It costs only $8. But hey, I had to try it all and I like it. And here you can see how big the portions are. And it was a lot for me. Also, you can try other flavors. 2. Langos. Maybe you're thinking, what is that? Well, it's like a pizza but with fried dog. And oh my god, it was super good. My Argentinian friend also wanted to try.
Like it or not?
Like it.
And the whole pizza only $6. 3. Goulash. And it comes with Hungarian dumplings. I went to Fritzi Papa, one of the best restaurants in the area. As you can see, the decoration is very unique, with Hungarian style. And the best part, let's try it. Oh my god, I love that plate. 9 out of 10. It only cost $8, and here you can see that they have a lot of options. 4. A stew with red wine. And I went to Negro Mangalica. They really recommend me this place. And I understand why, because it was so good. This was my favorite dish. Be careful because the place gets so crowded, so it's better if you make a reservation. Of course, it's gonna be 10 out of 10. 5. Hungarian wine. You really need to try this wine. 9 out of 10. I really love it. 6. Palinka. It's a typical Hungarian drink with different flavors. But for me, it was too strong. Here you can read the whole menu. 7. Chimney cake, my favorite. It's the typical Hungarian dessert. Let me show you how they prepare it. They stretch the dough and wrap it around the stick. And then they put it in the oven. To try this, I went to Pichler. I ordered the pistachio one and I love it so much. Of course, 10 out of 10. But you need to know they're very, very sweet. So with mate, everything was better, of course. Went to the central market, I found another place. But to be honest, I don't like it. Because it was small and cold and expensive. So don't fall into the same trap as but I want to try the Nutella one. So it was not the best, but I like it. I've also tried many cafes. And Café Muse, it's amazing. And I also took advantage of the sunny weather and take coffee outside. Hey explorer, I hope this video has been helpful for you. and that you can try this amazing food soon in Budapest. See you in the next video to continue exploring. Bye!